The landscape of Dominica, the terrain, the volcanic origins of Dominica, is what has determined its entire history and the way that people have interacted with each other on the island. So we have to first think of the terrain and the volcanic landscape, because this is what made Dominica the last island in the Caribbean to be colonized, and also made it the most mountainous island in the Caribbean. It is that combination of its mountainous nature and the difficulty that people had with trying to so-called tame the island that created this speciality about the place. It was the last place that the indigenous people could retreat to as the colonial powers were taking over one island after the other. And that is why today we have the largest group of descendants of the original indigenous people living on Dominica, as people of European, African and indigenous Amerindian descent merged and mixed and created this island nation. And also because of the volcanoes, that's why we have the altitude creates this lush vegetation, 6 different vegetation types on an island that's less than 300 square miles. Dominica has 3 national parks. One is the largest national park, the Tuapito National Park in the southern central part of the island, which is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Then we have the Diablote National Park, which surrounds the highest mountain in Dominica and protects our endemic parrots, which are found nowhere else in the world. And then we have this national park here, the Cabritz National Park, which combines the marine, the sea around the headland, the vegetation, particular type of coastal vegetation, and heritage and history of the 18th century British garrison that covers 200 acres, one of the largest in the Caribbean, that we have been working on restoring for the last 30 years. And right here we have Fort Shirley, which is the headquarters of the garrison, and we have been working on its restoration, and now it is a popular visitor site. The officers' quarters is popular for weddings, dinners and other events, and we've got a hostel where people come to stay and study or experience the marine and hiking experience of Dominica. So it's a combination of things, and it's a part of the National Park Service.